cupcake. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I got a whiteboard. Yes! That's a marker that has like an eraser on top. Yeah, let me just erase this. I want to show you everything I got. Well, trying not to show anyone's faces. My blinds are closed today because I haven't been home at all. So this is my first time home, except for in the morning, which I was talking to Cece Bear Fun. So first of all, I got a hula hoop. Like, let me show you it. I have to get back. I went to church today, so I actually got dressed. It's massive. Like, I can't even see it in the camera. Also, I got this Reputation. I'm actually playing Look What You Made Me Do by Taylor Swift. And I know I got another thing in here. That good? You guys good? Okay. I got Moana. Try not to. Yeah. So let me put Reputation right here where I put it. I have my CDs in there. And yeah. So let's go.
He's right behind me, and you gotta
Peanuts.
say no to what? Director, it is good to see you. Likewise, to look you right over this way. The commander will.
Black candy. Poster. Headband. Chocolate bunny. Nail polish. And sunglasses. I don't know. I'm not candy. So, yeah.
I am. I gotta say, it's been good for the soul. Anyway, your victim, Commander Willis, took out multiple high-interest loans from a place called Cashline Direct. He was late in paying.
Mom, do you like these flowers?
The company's collection calls went unanswered.
They're pretty, aren't
And
they?
they hired you to track him down. When I showed up at the door, wife told me that he
Our cat is weird.
I was just.
Yeah, that's what I got for Easter. That's not what I meant to do today. My room is a mess. I know. More things. Yay. I have way too many things. Okay. Okay. Why did I open it? Why? That's not. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing more drawing videos. Yay! Yeah, the thing I wanted to show you guys out here.
Equipment maintenance, nothing classified.
Here it is.
Nothing on it except for his
Oh,
district
squishy.
Cashline Direct. Which branch you look for the Boy Scout?
I wanted. It's been there for a while. I wanted to show you guys my squishy. I actually had it for a while. I didn't even know. So, its face is worn out, and my little cousin found it. Oh my gosh! And they poked a pencil through it, and I'm just like, dude, why would you do that? But it's super squishy. I love her. I love it. I don't even know what to call it. Like, I thought it was a girl. Like, the face is worn out, but I love it. Very squishy, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, I'm definitely going to redraw the face with this marker. Yeah, so, bam. Okay. I made it look a lot more creepy. Yeah, I'm just squishing it, and what's going on? Wait a minute. She looks like she's in, like, desperate need. Rapunzel, are you okay? Anyways, let's get back to the squishing. It's actually really soft. I'm gonna keep squishing it to make you guys jealous. The ones without squishy's jealous. I got a squishy and I cannot lie. Your other brothers cannot deny. Oh, do you hear that? My knuckles cracked. Oh my goodness. Squish, 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 squish the face, squish. I wonder how they feel. Have you ever wondered what, do you ever wonder what squishies feel like when they're being squished? They're like cartoon characters. You squish them, and this squishy, it comes back automatically, so if you're like stressed, you can go doop 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 doop, and you can do it for hours, and it won't slowly rise. I don't like things when they slowly rise. It's annoying, because then you have to wait to squish it again. Although slime I get because it doesn't rise at all. Squish. I'm definitely going to be using that more often. And I'm not going to even use that for videos, because that's not the bag, but the hula hoop. Like the hula hoop. I have to move the camera to see the entire thing. To move the blanket to see the entire thing. No, I love squishing squishies. Yeah, I will put a link to CC Bear Fun in the description below. So yeah. Bye.